let us look at question number 7B of 2023 paper. Please try to read the question. A firm uses X hours of unskilled labor and Y hours of skilled labor, and you are given this production function. It says it currently employs 64 units of unskilled labor and 27 skilled labor. In what direction should it change if it wants the output to change most rapidly from the current level? Okay. So first of all, tell me what is the production function given to you, beta? It is 60 x to the power 2 by 3, y to the power 1 by 3. Can you tell me how output will change when x changes? So I will differentiate it with respect to x. So 2 by 3, x to the power minus 1 by 3, y to the power 1 by 3. Right? So this will go ahead and give me 40 y by x to the power 1 by 3. Can you tell me what will happen? How output will change when I want to go ahead and change the amount of y? So I will go ahead and get 60 x to the power 2 by 3. When I'm differentiating with respect to y, power will come down. Power will reduce by 1. And this will go ahead and give me 20 x by y to the power 2 by 3. Now I am given that x is 64 and I am given that y is 27. So if I just go ahead and I put down these values here, right? If I just go ahead and put these values, I will get 20, 64 by 27 to the power 2 by 3, right? So this will be nothing but 20, 64 by 27 to the power 1 by 3 whole square. So 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. So 4 will come out whole square. So 16. So 20 into 16. And 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. So 3 will come out. 3 square is 9. So this will give you the answer as 320 by 9. And if I were to go ahead and evaluate this, what will I go ahead and get? 40. And y is 27, 64 to the power 1 by 3. So this is going to be 40. 3 into 3 into 3, 3. 4 into 4 into 4, 4. So this will give me the answer as 30. Right, 320 by 9 is approximately how much, beta? It is 9, 18, 27, 28, and then you're left up with 50, so 45.5. Okay, it is more, right? Okay, now the question is, okay, so now it is asking you to go ahead and check the unit vector where it changes most rapidly. In order to go ahead and do that, what will you do? How will you find the gradient vector? So the gradient vector is going to be del Q by del X I hat plus del Q by del Y J hat. Right? This is my gradient vector. So del Q by del X has come out to be 30 I hat. I am keeping it like this only instead of writing in decimals. So 320 by 9 J hat. This is going to be my gradient vector. Now the question is going ahead and asking to find out in terms of one unit, right? In order to find out the unit vector, directional vector in which it increases most rapidly. So in order to find the unit vector, how will I go ahead and go about it? So 30 iota plus 320 by 9 j hat upon what I will I hat plus j hat. And what I will do, I will just divide it by the magnitude. So 320 by 9 whole square under root. So this is going to be the unit vector. Okay, beta. Now come to the second part. So second part goes ahead and says, question padho chalo dhyan se. Second part says if the firm hires 1.5 units of extra skilled labor using calculate estimate the change in unskilled labor to keep the output unchanged. तो बात समझने की कोशिश करो. ये कह रहा है कि हमने dy को इंक्रीज किया है 1.5 से, dx में क्या करें कि आउटपुट अनचेंज्ड रहे. So we know कि dq change in output कैसे होता है बेटा? Output can change when x changes dx plus when y changes dy. अब थोड़ा सा समझने की कोशिश करो. I don't want any change in the output. Whenever x will change, output will change by 30 units. right? Whenever X will change, output will change by 30 units. ठीक है? And extra skilled labor, बेटा skilled, हाँ y होनी है ना, extra skilled labor, ठीक है. So this is dx. X is, try to see here, X is representing the unskilled labor बेटा. X hours of unskilled labor, Y hours of skilled labor, हमने extra skilled labor लगाया, मतलब extra Y लगाया है. So I will go ahead and get plus, this is how Q changes as Y changes, 320 by 9, and dy is 1.5. This is 0. So dx will come out to be minus 320 by 9 into 1.5 divided by 30. Right? So this and this will get cancelled, and so you will get minus 16 by 9 as the answer. Right? So if you are increasing the skilled labor by 1.5 units, you must decrease the unskilled labor by 16 by 9 units to keep the output unchanged. Okay, beta. Thank you.